Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev played quite a legendary role in the field of chemistry. He not only gave us the simplest and the most efficient method of grouping elements, but also laid the foundations of periodic classification of elements that we use today. So in this video, let's dedicate some time to understand what and how Mendeleev actually worked on. When Mendeleev began his work grouping on elements and arranging them, there were almost 63 elements known to him. He was formed on thought of arranging the elements with respect to the physical as well as chemical properties. He know that for understanding the chemical properties, he would make them to react with one or two standard elements. For this, he chose hydrogen and oxygen. But why? Mendeleev thought of making elements react with hydrogen and oxygen because of the following reasons. They are very reactive, they form readily, and they form compounds with most of the elements. Yes, this help him understanding the chemical properties of all the reacting elements. Later, in order to simplify the process, he wrote all the physical and chemical properties of each element on 63 different cards. Known, all he had to do is arrange these cards, but that was so simple. So he started arranging the cards in the increasing order of their atomic masses. When he was done pasting all these cards on his wall, he had two astonishing observations. One was that there were a few empty spaces left in the complete table that he formed. These positions belongs to the elements that were not yet discovered, but Mendeleev had believed that the missing elements did exist and are yet to be discovered. Not only this, but he was so confident about the characteristics of these elements that he predicted the properties well in advance. Later on, when the elements were discovered, it was found that the properties predicted by Mendeleev were almost a perfect match. Second observation that Mendeleev had was the recurrence of physical and chemical properties of these elements. When arranged in systematic manner, it was found that the physical and chemical properties of elements at a particular interval frequency. With this, Mendeleev came up with a law. This law is called as a Mendeleev's periodic law. The law stated that the properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic masses. Now, what do you mean exactly by this? Let's simplify this by breaking the statements in parts. Properties of elements means the physical and chemical properties of all the elements in the table. Or the periodic function means those which occur at regular intervals. And lastly, their atomic masses means were arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. So can we simply say that when elements are arranged increasing order of their atomic masses, they show similarities in the physical and chemical properties at a regular intervals. Yes, that's what Mendeleev meant. This is how Mendeleev laid the foundation for the modern periodic table. With this great contribution by the Mendeleev have no limitations at all? Well, there were of few emerged with time. Let's discuss the achievements and limitations of Mendeleev work in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.